Nestled on the Gold Coast of Long Island amidst a magnificent professional landscape is this fabulously young French Normandy-style manor set on over 4 pristine acres. Through its curved, turreted double-door entry, a staircase graced by a lovely balustrade climbs to the second floor. But it is the paneled library offering a bay window and a marble surround fireplace and an elegant formal dining area whose French doors open to the rear terrace that welcome your guests. Warm and inviting, the large working eating kitchen is a chef's playground, featuring satin-finished ash-colored cabinetry and top-of-the-line appliances. The white plank floor extends into the comfy den that delights with its floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, generous granite bar, and stereo closet. Accessed via double doors, the master bedroom is a suite, boasting luxury accommodations, complemented by 3 walk-in closets, a private balcony, wall-to-wall carpeting, and a stunning marble bath, accented by paneled windows, a curved vanity, a sunken jacuzzi, and a glass shower. Unparalleled for entertaining, the rear grounds offer bluestone terraces where guests may unwind with a cocktail amidst the blooming landscape and towering trees, all while overlooking the sparkling saltwater pool which accommodates all ages, with its additional baby pool and bubbling spa. Just steps away, the carriage house offers a garage below and a studio and a pool house above, all set in a delightful teak octagonal setting. The finishing touch is this walled Har-Tru tennis court, which rests among a canopy of oak, maple, pine, birch, magnolia, holly, and dogwood trees. This palatial estate boasts 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 2 half baths, within a picturesque country setting providing a blend of comfort, privacy, and beauty.